I done been around the world, ain't nobody else that could do it like us with nobody help. When the chips about to fall and I back against the wall, know it's only one place I call. All roads lead home, home, home. Yeah, all roads lead home, home, home. All roads lead home.
Back home and I'm trying to stay same crew, I don't like to change. Anything that we've been through, we got through it all like no time to waste. We go right back to the finer things, new goals that we had to chase. Come together, this lasts forever, I wouldn't be here without the gang. Been around the world, everybody looking at me like I know the path to take. I don't know it all, but I know the homies looking at me like I have the way. So I tell them all what I seen, then I tell them all what I hope to see. Tell them all when I'm home, I'll be bringing all of that home with me.
I done been around the world, ain't nobody else that could do it like us with nobody help. When the chips about to fall and I back against the wall, know it's only one place I call. All roads lead home. All roads lead home. Gotta make a comeback. Can I get a hand while I unpack? How could you forget that I'm from that? Steps to the labs of the combat. Throw me to the jungle, come back with gold. To take my place as king of the throne. And I don't mean wrong, but I'm coming strong. When I'm on the road and I'm coming home, stuck in the middle of nowhere. Times I wish I could ditch and